I bought these really very delicate little white silk flowers. I'm just gonna start working on adding these flowers. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some hot glue. I'm just gonna work those all out like that. I'm gonna go with the next one. I'm going to get my wire cutters and cut some of these apart. But see right here, it's kind of empty. And then I'm gonna try and put it right where I want it. Pulling these all out. And I'm just going to try and wire right in the base. This is a wire that is covered with fabric. And I'm just going to stick this thread it right through there, like so. And then I'm gonna thread it through the grapevine. I have my wires right here, and I wanna keep them really tight and twist them like so. I'm gonna cut these ends, not real short, because I don't want those wires to come out and scrape my door. And then I'm gonna tuck the wires up in. I'm gonna turn this back over and do the same thing on the other side of the nest. And now there are hooks on our little birds. And there we are. But I love this. I'll get it out on the front door and take some pictures for you out on the front door and show you how lovely this is going to be for spring. I'm Chloe Crabtree of CelebrateAndDecorate.com. Thanks for watching.